ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. இதுலேருந்து ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு சார். நம்ம பேசுகிற ஒவ்வொன்றும் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, தகவலுக்காக எல்லாருக்கும் தகவல் சொல்லணும் அதுக்காக சார். சார் ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாமா? இகே சார் கேளுங்க. ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாமா? இகே சார் கேளுங்க. 20 பேர் இருக்காங்க பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட். ரைட், ஓகே. கரெக்டாக 4 மணிக்கு ஷார்ப்பாக ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். வருதா இகே சார்? வரலாரா? ரைட் சார், ரைட் சார். உங்க வீடியோ தெரியலையே சார்? ஏன் அட்மிட் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது?
ஹலோ, அந்த ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் இருக்குல்ல, அதுல வந்து ஃபீல்டு ரிஜிஸ்ட்லாம் சப்மிட் பண்றாங்க. அந்த லிங்க் அப்படியே
ஒரு நிமிஷம். ஷேரிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு திரும்ப ஆரம்பிக்கிறேன்.
இதுவரையும் ஒரு 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க.
புதுசாக ஏன் அட்மிட் ஆக மாட்டேங்குன்னு தெரியலையே. ஹெட்செட் போட்டு பேசுங்க. ஓகேவா? அட்மிட் பண்ணுறேன், ஏன் அட்மிட் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது? அட்மிட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. ஓகே சார், ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாமா சார்?
ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாம்ப்பா. இதுவரையும் 16 பேர் இருக்காங்க. அப்படியே ஆரம்பிச்சு போயிட்டு இருக்கலாமா?
ரைட் சார், ஓகே சார். இல்லை
நாளுக்கு மீட்டிங் விடுங்க.
ரைட் சார், ஓகே.
அப்புறம் அட்மிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கலாம்.
ரைட் சார். அட்டண்டன்ஸில் 25 இருக்கு. ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. 1 ஹவர் டிஸ்கஸ். அர்ச்சனா கிருஷ்ணமூர்த்தி ப்ளீஸ் ஸ்டாப் யுவர் பிரசன்ட். அப்பதான் நாம பிரசன்ட் பண்ண முடியும்.
மகிழ்வானந்த் சார், குட் ஈவினிங்.
கரெக்டாக 4 மணினா ஒரு 2 நிமிஷம் முன்ன பின்ன ஆகலாம், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நம்முடைய ஸ்க்ரீன் தெரியுதா அப்படிங்கிறது மாத்திரம் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிங்க. நம்ம ஸ்க்ரீன் போட்டதுக்கப்புறமா நீங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
ஆ, ஆ, பண்ணிடலாம். சரியா 4 மணிக்கு ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாம். 4 மணில இருந்து ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருங்க.
நான் ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன். ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு சார். ஆல்ரெடி ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஒரு வாட்டி டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் நான் ரெக்கார்டிங்கில் இருக்கான்ட்டு. ஆல்ரெடி ரெக்கார்டிங்கில் தான் இருக்கு.
ரெக்கார்டிங் ஆரம்பிச்சாச்சா?
ரெக்கார்டிங் நான் எப்பயோ காமன் நேரமாக பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார். அதான் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை.
அப்படியா? அப்புறம் நம்ம இதை கட் பண்ணிடுமா 4ல இருந்து?
ஏ சார்,
மீட்டிங் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கோம்.
இல்லை அது பாட்டு இருந்துட்டு போட்டேன் சார், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை.
சார்
ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். நான் ஸ்க்ரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
மயில் சார், நம்ம ஆரம்பிச்சிடலாமா? டாக்டர் மயில்வாகனன் சார்.
available.
Shall we start the program, sir?
Yes, sir. Start the program, sir.
Okay. Program started.
Good evening to all. I am Dr. E.K. Sivasaktivel, Associate Professor and HOD of Commerce, Ubhar College, affiliated to Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. I am happy to meet you in this Google Meet. In this meeting, my research scholar, Dr. K. Tirunavukarasu, is going to present the synopsis of his research work in the title of policy, a study on the policy holders' satisfaction towards services of life insurance companies of India, with a special reference to career logistics. I welcome the control committee member, Dr. Mayil Vahanan, Assistant Professor of Commerce, ABC College, Autonomous, Mannamandal, affiliated to Bharathidasan University. Welcome, sir. I also welcome Dr. G. Davis Kamani, Assistant Professor, DBML College, Autonomous, DBML College, Korea, affiliated to Bharathidasan University. I welcome, sir. I also welcome all my colleagues and professors from various colleges and universities. I also welcome all the participants of this meet. Today, my ward, Mr. Tirunavukarasu, is going to present his analysis. His research work is in the field of insurance. So nowadays, insurance is very, very essential. In insurance, LIC played a vital role. Before 2000, LIC is the only institution which provide insurance to all the persons. After liberalization, the private sector also entered into the insurance sector,
Not,
government and the private people to take care in the insurance field. So in this field, insurance, both the private sector and the public sector are providing insurance facilities to the public. So this topic is chosen by the research scholar. I welcome the research scholar also, Mr. Tirunavakarasu. Now he will present his synopsis. After his presentation, the doctoral committee members and the audience may clarify this and give their valuable suggestions to enhance this research work. Now, I request the research scholar to present the synopsis. Before that, I request the doctoral committee member, Dr. Mailwagan, to give his introduction. Sir, welcome, sir. Please give your introduction, sir.
my own doctor, one of the doctor community members for sir. First of all, I record since the Pumbar College Commerce Department for the excellent opportunity to act as a doctoral member for this purpose presentation. First of all, I request the candidate to present his synopsis. After his presentation, the learned audience are requested to offer their valuable for the improvement of the synopsis. With these three words, I have concluded my speech and I request the scholar to present his synopsis. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now I request Tirunavakarasu to present his synopsis.
Good evening to all.
Tirunavakarasu to present that.
I am K. Tirunavakarasu, PhD research scholar. I am happy to present my PhD synopsis. My research topic is a study on the policyholder satisfaction towards services of life insurance corporation of India with special reference to annuity. Introduction. The basic requirement of human being are food, clothing, and shelter. Generally, people want to live a secured life, particularly those who are exposed to risk, want to protect their lives from various types of risks. In day-to-day life, a human being has to face numerous risks and uncertainties with regard to cost, loss, or damage. The loss or damage may be related to either financial or non-financial losses in a dynamic and free economy and in life such risks are inevitable. In this concern, the insurance company are playing a vital role for protection of human life against the uncertainty of financial risk. Insurance is the provision of financial protection against the happening of any unfavorable event. Insurance sector service various services to the public. Particularly, life insurance provided valuable services of family protection against the risk of loss due to accident, fire, death, and sickness of their policyholder. Life insurance is unique in one aspect. As an instrument of economic security, it is incomparable. No other mode of saving can provide what is provided by life insurance product. It also takes care of tomorrow, bread, clothing, and shelter. Death is certain, but it is the time of death that is most uncertain. Life insurance policy seeks to offer certainty of that uncertainty. Risk cover is primary benefit offered by the insurance contract, beside providing supplementary benefits like bonus, income tax rebate, housing loan facility, and so on. Life Insurance Corporation of India. Life Insurance Corporation of India is the largest insurance as well as investment company in India. It's state-owned company where Government of India has 100 stakes. LIC also funds close to 24.6% of the Indian government expenses. It has asset estimated of 13,25,000 crore. It was founded in 1956 with the merger of 245 insurance companies. Headquartered in Mumbai, financial and commercial capital of India, the Life Insurance Corporation of India currently has 8 zonal offices and 113 divisional offices located in different parts of India. Around 3,500 servicing offices, including 2,048 branches, 54 customer zone, 25 metro area service hubs, and a number of satellite offices located in
சார் ஆடியோ கட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
New style of service delivery. We also have new products and property available for for employment in the life insurance sector.
Hence, it is need of the hour to study the customer opinion towards service rendered by LIC of India. Objective of the study. The objective of this present study are as follows. The study the profile and the types of the service of Life Insurance Corporation of India, to study the socio-economic profile of the respondent and their awareness level of insurance.
அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு சார்
Study was based on the survey method. The researcher both primary and secondary data in this study. The primary data was collected from 500 sample respondents by using questionnaire method from Ariyalur district. Sample were chosen by convenient sampling method. A well-structured questionnaire was framed by the researcher with the help of the research supervisor, the research expert, and LIC officers in the study area. The secondary data has been collected from various sources like agent, manual, premium, ready reckoner, books, magazine, article published in journal, report from various committees, annual report of IRDA and LIC of India and other related websites. Sampling design. Sample size. The questionnaire has been distributed to the insurance policyholder of LIC of India residing in Ariyalur. The researcher has conducted 500 sample respondents from 2 branches at convenient sampling method. Data processing. Data processing and data analysis are carried out with the help of statistical package for social science. Period of study. The data have been taken for a period of 10 years. The data relating to business performance of LIC of India have been collected for 10 years from 2008, 2009 to 2017 to 18. Hypothesis. 1. There is no significant difference in the opinion of the respondent towards services of LIC and a private life insurance company. Second, there is no significant relations between socio-economic profile of the respondent and the level of customer satisfaction towards the service of LIC. Profile of the study area. Ariyalur district was carved out of Perambalur district on January 1st, 2001. Merged with Perambalur district on March 31st, 2002. Ariyalur district was recurved on November 23rd, 2007. The district is bordered by the district of Kadalur to the north and northeast Nagapattinam, to the east Tanjavur, to the south and southeast Tiruchirappalli, to the southwest and Perambalur, to the west. The district of encompasses an area of 1,949 kilometers according to 2011 census. Ariyalur district has population 7.54 lakhs. Limitation of the study. The study has following limitation. The study has been limited to Ariyalur district. The altitude expectation and the prescription may differ with the population of the various cities. Respondent would have not rendered fullest cooperation. The respondent may differ with their perception and attitudes with respect to other insurance companies. The researcher found so much difficulty in collection of data as the respondent were busy with their payment of premium, settlement of their claims, etc. When a respondent has some problem in their due settlement, they have emotional imbalance. Hence, the researcher found some difficulty in getting correct respondent. Charter scheme. The present study is entitled Policyholder Satisfaction towards Services of Life Insurance Corporation of India with special reference to Ariyalur district has been 5 chapters. The first chapter contains the introduction of the study, statement of the problem, scope of the study, objective of the study, methodology adopted, hypothesis, area of the study, limitation, and the charter scheme. Second chapter. The second chapter deals with the review of literature and it contained studies conducted in India and in abroad. Third chapter. The third chapter presents the future of LIC products and their services. Fourth chapter. This chapter analyzes the socio-economic profile of the respondent, factor considered by the respondent while choosing LIC policy, level of satisfaction towards the services of LIC and their agent, and compare the services of LIC and private insurance company in the study area. Last chapter. The last chapter presents the major findings of the study and offer suggestions for enhancing the business of LIC of India product through the satisfaction of the policy holder in Ayur district. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sir, Smile Vahan, sir. You may give any clarification, sir. Smile Vahan, sir.
Sir, next. Yes, sir. Agreeable, sir.
Your suggestion is welcome, sir.
அவர் பேசுறது கேட்கவே இல்லை. நீங்க பேசுங்க.
But in first you can you can take the first hypothesis. There is no significant difference in the opinion of the respondent to services of LIC and private life insurance company. Study
ஆமா
is
சார்
stick only with LIC of India. Your topic is based on LIC only. LIC of India மட்டும்தான் சொல்றேன்.
ஆமா
Customer satisfaction
எல்ஐசி
India.
ஆமா சார் எல்ஐசி ஆஃப்
Hypothesis,
இந்தியா ஆமா சார்
but hypothesis based on only private LIC. Private
ஆ
படிக்கிறீங்க நீங்க?
Sir,
ஆமா
but
சார்
yes, sir. Sir, in objective also we clearly
Yes, sir.
define, sir,
Yes, sir.
to study the
Sir.
services satisfaction only with the comparison of private sector only, how the LIC is better than private sector. Like this, the study is going, sir. In objective, we have mentioned this. Sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Devasigamani, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Devasigamani, sir. Devasigamani, sir. Dr. GD. Can you hear my voice? Dr. GD. Okay. Mr. Pranav Karsu,
Yeah.
can you explain about the statement of problem?
Okay. Consumer of the factors for any business, hence it is important for all the organization to meet all the customer expectation and identify that they are satisfied customer. In insurance sector also it is essential. Until the early 21st century, the Indian life insurance industry was completely in the hands of Life Insurance Corporation of India, realizing the significance of the private players. With the objective of the difference between LIC and the private sector approaches to the public. So, this is field to study the customer satisfaction towards services of both LIC and the private companies.
Okay. Okay, Pranav Karsu. Can you explain the methodology of your study?
Methodology followed a survey method in this
Just now
study.
he explained.
Both primary and secondary data was used. Primary data collected from 500 sample respondents by using questionnaire. Secondary data collected from various sources like agent, books, magazine, journal, etc.
Okay. Okay. Miles, sir, actually, your voice is not audible, clearly audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again, give your navigation, sir. Mrs. And
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Siva, sir. How is the
Sir,
audio? Mile Vahanam, sir.
sir,
Your audio
I
is not
asked my
clear, sir.
queries and sir, I asked my queries and doubts to the candidate. He has explained my doubts and queries, sir. Already he explained my doubts and queries,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Due to
Yes, sir. I also raised two questions to the candidate.
Oh, okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Candidate responded my questions in my satisfaction, sir. Okay.
Okay. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Any clarifications and suggestions also will come from the
The audience.
audience and other participants also. Or otherwise, we can conclude the meeting.
Sir,
Yes, sir. I know,
Yes.
sir.
hello.
Sir,
Sir, I
tell me, sir.
from Government.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Very well, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I know that what are all the tools that have been used in the research study by the country? Statistical tools, sir. Statistical tools. Yes, sir.
tools. In order to find out a trend growth performance, LIC linear and semi-log trend model has been adopted. In order to measure satisfaction level of Likert 5-point scaling techniques has been adopted. The results are classified into 3 groups, namely high, medium, and low level satisfaction based on the arithmetic mean standard deviation of the score has been used. To analyze the relationship between satisfaction of policyholder and socio-economic factor, chi-square test has been applied.
Yes, sir. Maybe that ANOVA.
Thank you, sir. Ready, sir. This we conclude the meeting. One and all. Thank you for the thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Mr. Sinu, sir.
இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம் ரெக்கார்டை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் சார்.
Sinu, sir.
ரைட் சார். ஒரு நிமிஷம் நான் ரெக்கார்டை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
Hello, admin Sinu, sir.
இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார். ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார். ரெக்கார்டை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
Hello, sir.
கேட்குது சார். சொல்லுங்க சார். கேட்குது சார். ரெக்கார்டை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.